Welcome to the Weather Centre on Youth Day, where the morning starts off with some fog over parts of the western interior, and we're expecting mostly cloudy conditions with light morning rainfall over the southwestern part of the country. You'll see cloudy weather and the possibility of rainfall spread out the east coast on Thursday, resulting in a cooler day. Mostly cloudy and dry over the southern part of the partly cloudy and cold forecast in the west, and we're expecting that cold air to push in all the way through to the central interior on Thursday. We're forecasting sunny conditions over the northeastern part with a mild to warm afternoon. Here's that 40% chance of light morning rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. We're expecting a 60% chance of rain along parts of the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, with a 40% chance of rainfall over the northern part of KwaZulu-Natal in the evening. You'll also see a 40% chance of rain over parts of the Eastern Cape and a slight possibility of drizzle as we head further inland. Maximum temperatures peak in the low 20s for Gauteng on Thursday, 22 degrees for Mahikeng, 25 for Polokwane with a warm afternoon, and the hot weather continues for Mbombela and Phalaborwa, both in the low 30s. The cold weather returns to the Free State and the Eastern Cape, with highs mainly in the mid-teens, 19 for Mthatha, with that cooler weather also reaching KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday, 17 for Pietermaritzburg, with Ladysmith and Vryheid expecting highs in the low 20s. We keep in the low 20s as we head towards the east coast with a fresh to strong southerly wind for Durban and Richards Bay. In the upper teens for Port Elizabeth and East London, with a strong west-southwesterly wind to southwesterly wind in East London, and along the east coast we're expecting a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell on Thursday. 15 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with another cold day in store for the Western Cape. 17 for Oudtshoorn, Worcester and Robertson, with that cold weather continuing as we head towards the coast. 16 degrees for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. You'll see a predominantly westerly component to the wind from Cape Agulhas all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, with fresh winds in the forecast for Jeffreys Bay and a moderate northwesterly wind for Muizenberg. Along the south coast, we're expecting a 4 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. Cold weather moves in over the northern Cape on Thursday, with highs in the mid-teens over the northern and eastern parts. A bitterly cold day for Sutherland at a mere 8 degrees, 11 as we head towards Colesberg. Along the west coast, you'll also see cold weather for Cape Town with a maximum of 15 degrees. We keep in the mid-teens as we head towards Lambert's Bay with a light southwesterly wind. You'll see a predominantly northwesterly wind for Longabaan and Cape Town, with a fresh south-southeaster for Alexander Bay and a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Friday, we're forecasting cooler weather and the possibility of rainfall through to the Lowveld, with light rain in the forecast along the east coast. Still fine and mild for Gauteng, with temperatures remaining quite cold over the western and southern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.